Now, staking is basically doing nothing with your crypto, but you earn by just having your crypto sit in a wallet, or having your crypto sit in a wallet or an exchange. You actually earn money from your crypto. So you're making your cryptocurrency work for you. So I started doing a little more research. And yes, I'm staking some of my coins here and there, but I haven't really put a lot of effort into searching for the best wallet to stake in, because you get varied in interest across the board. So let's start with even what is staking. I think that's probably one of the first things to start with. So what is staking? Staking for passive income. You can make money with staking. You may not make as much money as when you're actively trading. So staking is perfect for people who just are busy. They cannot stay behind their screen. They're working a full-time job, 2 jobs, full-time family, whatever it is. Staking could be for you. You can see there. For those of you who are interested in the technical definition of staking, yes, we can make money from staking, but how does it occur? This is actually how we make money when we stake our coins. We make our coins do some extra work by contributing to the proof of stake work that validates the block or a block on the blockchain. So your staked coins are used to validate transactions on a blockchain, as compared to your unstaked coins that are just sitting on the cryptocurrency exchange or just sitting in your wallet. When you stake your coins are used to validate transactions. So you're sort of loaning your coins to the greater cause of cryptocurrency. In exchange, you're going to get something. You receive a percentage of the staked tokens as a reward. So that is what staking is all about. What are the advantages of staking? I like the fact that you can make money 2 ways. Obviously, you hold the coin and you're at an advantage and you're in profit when your coin increases in value. Way number 1 to make money with your coin. If you stake that same coin, then you also have, if you like, interest. So now your coin is making interest for you, or earning money for you, because you have now staked your coin. So that's the advantage of staking. Of course, you know, the value of your coin can go up, the value of your coin can go down, and so also the interest rate. So you need to keep an eye on the interest rate, which they call the APY, annual percentage per year, or something like that. Second advantage of staking, now comparing staking to mining, staking is very simple. Miners are earning with their cryptocurrency, and they earn using their equipment to contribute to the validation on the blockchain. So, but it can get a little technical with mining. Staking, on the other hand, straightforward. You don't need any specific knowledge other than just knowing about it. Staking your coins, if you're on exchanges where you can stake your coins, or taking your coins off an exchange and putting them into a wallet intentionally so you can stake them. And of course, it's simple. So it's simple and it's cheap compared to mining. Some of the disadvantages of staking are the lock-in period. When you stake your coins start earning interest generally the very next day or within 24 hours. The only problem is when you want to unstake your coins. It could take a few days to get your hold of your coins. It could take up to a week. It could take, a bit like when you're moving money in the banking system. They say it takes 3 to 5 business days. And sometimes that is the case with unstaking your coins. Another issue with staking is just, liquidity. And with liquidity, it's the same thing. You just want quick access to your funds, and you may not be able to get quick access to your funds. For instance, if your coin is tanking and you want to quickly sell it, that will not be plausible or doable with staking, because you'll always have that time lock period as well. So liquidity could be an issue. There are also validator fees, so there are fees with anything, right? So that also can impact your interest you could get while staking. So usually you will have a projected interest and then like an estimated interest, but when you're actually going to cash in or unstake your coins, of course they would have applied their fees, and it will be slightly less, hopefully only slightly less than what the estimated interest or your estimated rewards would have been. Rewards. So with some coins and on some platforms and some wallets, you can get your interest on a daily basis, but some other times, which is where you really have to do your own research, in other situations you may have to, you know, wait for a month or wait for a certain period before you actually have access to the rewards that you get from staking. This website, take note of this website, stakingrewards.com. That's a really good website I discovered, and basically they have about 216 coins, like they're saying, that they track, and it gives the APY that you get from staking and the like, and it tells you the different coins that are stakeable. Now take note, not all coins are stakeable. So you want to either look at the coins that you hold that are stakeable, that you didn't know were stakeable, and move them to a platform where you can actually get interest from your coins. And again, they say that the average reward rate is 14.95%. And if I go to the next slide, this is what that stakingrewards.com, this is what it looks like. You'll have Cardano here. It tells you the reward that you get from staking Cardano, which is 7.28%. It tells you the total staked value, like the total amount in the staked pot altogether, market cap, percentage, total staked, and just information that you need to know. And you could add it to your watch list and the like. And of course, some of the wallets that I use, Atomic Wallet and Trust Wallet, there are a range of wallets out there. So you have to research to see what it is that you're looking for in staking your coins. Like when you pull up your Trust Wallet, this is what you see. And you can see these green numbers here. Those show the percentage APY that you get from staking these coins. So if you have coins in Trust Wallet, you need to actually stake them. Click on them and stake them to ensure that they are staked. But before you do that, you know, you got to do your due diligence and keep an eye on how long it'll take for you to unstake your coins and the like, you know, the total fees that are charged and so on and so forth, because that affects and impacts your total rewards altogether. Now, if you go to here, now this one, take note of this, trustwallet.com/staking. You do have access to what they call a staking calculator. So if we click on, like we have Binance coin here, and you hear that you're going to get 30%. Now this is, yes, 30% if you stake the Binance coin. So if we have 5 coins, or if you have, I don't know, if you have 10 coins and you put that value in, it tells you the daily earnings that you get from staking 10 BNB, the monthly earnings you get. And look at this, guys, look at the yearly earnings. At the end of a year, you would have earned 3 BNB. Earning interest with cryptocurrency, also staking, is definitely one of the ways that you can look into to still make money until the market settles down.